Now we are going to see class 8 exercise 1.3 question number 3. Verify the associative property for addition and multiplication for the given rational number minus 7 by 9, 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. First let us prove associative property for addition. Associative property for addition is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Given rational expression we have considered as A, B, C. Here A is equal to minus 7 by 9, B is equal to 5 by 6, C is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now placing the value LHS, A is minus 7 by 9 plus bracket open, B is equal to 5 by 6 plus C is minus 4 by 3. Now minus 7 by 9 plus open bracket 5 by 6 plus into minus minus 4 by 3. Now minus 7 by 9 plus இப்போ bracket இருக்கிற வேல்யூ நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 3 and 6 ஓட LCM 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So we need to multiply by 1. 5 into 1 minus 3 table means 3 2s are 6. So 4 into 2. That is equal to minus 7 by 9 plus open bracket 5 1s are 5 minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 6. We get it minus 7 by 9 plus 5 minus 8 means minus 3 by 6. Now minus 7 by 9 plus into minus minus 3 by 6. Now we need to take LCM. LCM of 9 and 6 is, we consider the LCM is 18 because 9th table 2 times, 6th table 3 times. So we consider the LCM is 18. 9th table 2 times is 7 into 2. So minus 7 into 2 minus 6th table 3 times in the LCM number. So 3 into 3. Now that is equal to minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 18. Now like sign. So we need to add the number. 14 plus 9 is 23. Like a sign is minus 23 is divided by 18. This is considering number 1 because this is value of LHS. Now I am considering RHS. RHS is A plus B plus C. Placing the value A is minus 7 by 9 plus B is 5 by 6 plus C is minus 4 by 3. Now solve the bracket value 9 and 6. We take LCM 6 9s are 54 or we have to consider LCM number 18. Because 9th table is 6th table 18 I am considering LCM is 18. So 9th table 2 times, so minus 7 into 2 plus 6th table 3 times, so 5 into 3. Close bracket plus minus 4 by 3. That is equal to 7 2s are 14, that is minus 14 plus 5 3s are 15 is divided by 18 plus into minus minus 4 by 3. Now minus 14 plus 15 means 1 by 18 minus 4 by 3. Now one more time we need to take LCM. 18 and 3 is LCM is 18. 18 ones are 18, so 1 into 1 minus 3 table 6 times, so 4 into 6. That is equal to 1 1 are 1 minus 4 6 are 24 divided by 18. We get 1 minus 24 means minus 23 divided by 18. This is considering 2, that is RHS. Now we need to compare both results. LHS minus 23 by 18 and also we got it RHS minus 23 by 18. Now according to this result, this is satisfies the associative property when doing addition. Now let us see multiplication. Then we need to prove associative property for multiplication. Associative property for multiplication is A into BC is equal to AB into C. I am considering first LHS. LHS is A into BC. That is placing the value A is minus 7 by 9 into B, C means B into C. Minus 5 by 6, that is plus 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. Here minus 7 by 9. Now we choose the table 4 and 6, that is 2 table 2 times, here 2 table 3 times. Now minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10 divided by 3 3s are 9. Now minus into minus plus 7 into 10 70 divided by 9 9s are 81. This is considering 1, that is value of LHS. Now RHS, that is AB into C. Now substitute the value. A is minus 7 by 9 into B is 5 by 6, put in bracket, into C minus 4 by 3, which gives 7 into 5, that is minus 7 into 5 means minus 35 is divided by 9 6 are 54 into minus 4 by 3. Now 2 table 2 2s are 4, here 27 2s are 54. Then we get minus into minus plus 35 into 2 means 70 is divided by 27 into 3. 27 into 3 is 81. This is we considering number 2. By this result, hence we proved LHS is equal to RHS, that is associate. This is satisfies the associative property when doing multiplication.